How's it going, guys? MCF Got Milk here, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to super clean the outside of your windshield. And also this helps protect against those awful noises of when you're doing your windshields and you hear those screeching noises. I'll give you an example. These noises, ready? Now you may be saying, Mike, you idiot, it's not raining out. Obviously it's gonna make those noises. But not true. Even when it kind of sprinkles down and use the windshield wipers, you can still hear that. Obviously, you wanna make sure you have good windshield wipers. If they're old, then replace them and it could fix it. But here's a good tip on how to super clean and fix those squeaky noises. First thing you wanna do is you wanna get some isopropyl alcohol. I got this for literally like $2.50 at Walmart, and some microfiber towels. Microfiber towels will save your life. Get a whole bunch of them if you can. So what you're gonna wanna do is you wanna take the it's full, sorry. You take some alcohol, pour it onto the towel, and clean it. What the alcohol is doing, it's cleaning it thoroughly. So you don't have to do anything else, just the alcohol just cleans. Then obviously when you're done, do the other side as well. It is gonna reek of alcohol, because well, it is alcohol. Sorry about the noise, my neighbor decides to cut the grass now, of course, but when you're done wiping everything down and cleaning everything, use some of this. This is actually, it's a wax, but guess what? It has absolutely no wax in it, and to prove it to you, it contains absolutely no wax. So, that means you can literally put it on your windshield. It doesn't say to do it, but I figured this out by another YouTuber. I'll put it down in the description. This actually works. It doesn't say it, but I believe that this should say it because the guy did find a founder's fee for it. So what you're gonna wanna do is you take a towel, put a little bit on there, and just like before, start spreading all over the windshield. After it starts leaving dry, starts leaving some residue, take the towel, a dry part of it, and just buff it off. As always, do it to the other side. And after you're done, it is so nice and smooth and soft. Ready? Absolutely no noise. And it is crystal clear. Once again, no squealing, no scratching. Then after all is done, take your microfiber cloths, put them in the washer, they're done. Don't use them again. Final thoughts, this works amazingly. I'm sorry I'm kind of like glaring because the sun's right there, it's hot, it's awful. People are making so much noise. But yeah, it says once a year. I'd advise to do it at least once a season due to the fact that it says it's a wax and it says once a year, but again, your windshield wipers go through much more worse than your paint, I seem like. So again, this was like $7 at Walmart. Some microfiber towels, $2, and alcohol, $2. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you found this helpful. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe for more. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.